Greetings everyone, or as I love to say, howdy. Welcome back to this channel, or if this is your first time, a warm welcome to you. You can pop in every morning at 5 a.m. Jamaican time for a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. I am SHEINEL Thompson, and I am honored to be bringing you the reading for this morning. No, when something is nice, us Jamaicans love to talk about it. One sure way for you to help in spreading this word is to click the like button. Don't forget to share with all your friends and cumbelos. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you will get notified as soon as our content is posted. Now come on, let's have a reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Howdy. God Word come to you today from the book of Mark chapter 10, and I go and read from verse 1 straight down to verse 12. This is what it say. After Jesus left where him did there, him go past River Jordan and go in the Judea area. Enough people come to him again, and like him always do, him teach them. Some Pharisees did want to test him, so them come to him and ask him, say, the Lord give no man the right to break up with him wife? Jesus asked them, say, what Moses tell him to do? Them answer say, Moses allow the man them to write one piece of paper give them wife for sure say them no married no more. But Jesus said to them, say, Moses allow no to do that, cause uno no have no heart. But from God make the world, he make man and woman. And that make one man will left him father and mother, join up with him wife, and the two of them will turn one somebody. So them are not two again, them turn one. So if God make one man and him wife one, nobody no fi split them up. When them go back in the house, Jesus follower them ask him about what him did say. So him tell them, say, if nobody broke up with them wife and go marry somebody else, him do wrong against him wife. It coming just like somebody wa give him wife born. And if the wife broke up with her husband and married somebody else, a bunch she give her husband. God word says so in a Mark chapter 10, verse 1 to 12. Think about it.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.